Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Code Seekers. This is part 5 of my videos on practicing loop structure in C++. In this part we perform two tasks. Task number 9 is to find all the divisors of a number entered by the user. Task number 10 is to write a program to find sum of digits of a number entered by the user. For example, if the user entered number 1256, the sum is 14. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share my video and subscribe my channel to watch more videos on C++ and C#.